Hello everyone. Today we are here at Five Islands Park, a park with a large grassy area. It has picnic areas, pavilion, children's play area and more. The park is located at New Rochelle, New York. Me, my wife and our baby had a great time here. I encourage everyone to come to this park and enjoy what it has to offer. Please watch rest of the video. Thank you.
Hey guys, the water view of this location is amazing and super relaxing. We enjoyed this location a lot. The video has natural sounds, so you can enjoy it with us as well. I also wanted to mention that this is a beautiful place for walking, jogging, biking, sunbathing, but you cannot swim here. If you would like to do photography, this is a great location. And also, if you would like to do fishing, you can do fishing here.
Gentlemen, get fish off the bridge.
After walking a little bit, my husband wanted to do fishing. We caught some fish and it was fun. If you are looking to spend some time in the nature during the weekend, this place would be a great choice. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a good day.